One pot wonder, creamy spinach and chicken Florentine? You mean like the one that we just made? Out of the latest issue of Taste? Let's do it. Season the chicken, and then my trick is to put the chicken into the pan with a little bit of oil into a cold pan. And as the temperature comes up, it renders out more of that fat, giving you crispier skin and deeper, darker color. Very happy sounds coming from the kitchen right now. The chicken is doing its thing. The mushrooms have already been sliced, so nothing to do there. Time is timing. Garlic has already been chopped, so nothing to do there. So the next thing to do is chop some onions. This is the color we're looking on the chicken, a deep golden brown. These brown little crusty bits in the pan right now are the essence of chicken flavor. Plus, we've got the olive oil in there and the chicken fat that's rendered out of our chicken. It's just flavor. Mushrooms into the pan to soak up all that delicious flavor. Chicken flavored mushrooms. I buy that every day. Using the same pan for every element of this recipe. So, mushrooms looking amazing, and you can look at that sizzling brown. The onions and garlic are doing their thing. I'm gonna wash the kale and spinach, chop it up, and I'm not gonna take the onions and garlic out. I'm gonna start adding everything back into the pan. So right about now, we will add a bit of salt to the dish to season it. But we're being smart. We're gonna add a bit of saltiness, but also flavor. So we're going in with Parmigiano Reggiano. It's gonna add some decadence to the dish. It's gonna add some umami, and it's gonna add a little bit of that seasoning that we need right now. The chicken is back into the pan now. We're gonna cover the lid, leave it slightly open on the one end, and it's gonna simmer for about 20-25 minutes. All the flavors, all the ingredients are gonna come together and become one decadent, delicious chicken dish. You smell garlic, you smell mushroom, you smell thyme, you smell cheese. It is so good. I mean, right now, just grab a piece of crusty bread, get into that sauce, get a piece of chicken, bread, chicken, two hands. Dinner is absolutely sorted.